Hello and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Sunday. Rob and I have already done our shopping for the week, and there is no photo of the veggie haul because we're now using reusable bags. So there will be a picture posted a little bit later because I have done something else to show you. So last night I prepared a one-pot garlic Parmesan pasta. Very simple. A few ingredients, but very tasty. I'll get it posted up for you to try. And tell me what you think. Today, being chilly weather, I'm making my chili. So let's get to it. Okay, ground beef, I'm using a 90-10. Ground pork, of course, a little bit of olive oil, red bell pepper. It's not quite beautiful red, but it'll work. One jalapeno, some kosher salt, fresh ground black pepper, some carrots that'll be diced, a can of diced tomatoes, some corn, which I'm using frozen, dark red kidney beans, and I'm using black beans because I couldn't find the white northerns that I wanted. And the spices are some cayenne pepper and smoked paprika, Mexican oregano, cumin, and ground ginger. I'm using what's equivalent to not this size of bottle of beer, but it'll be half of this, of the Moylan's Kilt Lifter. It's an ale. I really like it. Normally I would use a Sierra Nevada, but I wanted to kick it up a notch and go something different and go with the Kilt Lifter. Cilantro for garnish, and of course sour cream and some cheddar cheese. One thing that's missing here is a red onion. Whoops. There will be a red onion in this as well, and of course some diced red onion for topping. Wow, maybe I should read my recipe a third time. Yes, oops, I'm human. All right, it's Sunday. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.